So now we're going to open up hive number 2, day 21. See how this one's going. Looking pretty good. Nothing on that side, but we are getting some drawn comb on this side. They're just as gentle as the other hive though. Drawn out pretty good there. That one's looking pretty good.
Oh, they're already
syrup.
I'm planting honey. Lots of honey going.
Drawing that one out real nice. I'm seeing eggs. Just a few.
I see some newborns.
Food going all the way down to eggs.
I don't want to smoke them. I've gotten bumped twice.
Okay. We're into the capped brood now, so.
This queen cell. If anybody knows what that is, comment below.
A real raggedy end. It looks like it might have hatched if it was.
Well, they were trying to requeen when they first came here. Prevented that.
But they may be trying to do it again.
And we didn't see any problems with the queen before.
Sun is totally wrong to try to find eggs in these now. But I could see it in the brand new ones, so. Beautiful pattern. Some capped honey on this corner. A little bit of drawn.
Oh, they're still working on capping.
Yeah, capping honey in the corners. This hive was really full, and this nuke was really full, and they were already backfilling it when we got it. They were just out of room.
Now their brood has a certain size. Honey can be as deep as it needs to be. Queens obviously have their own size as well.
And drones do too. They're actually a bit bigger around.
Yeah, I got bumped again.
Yeah, I heard that.
Here, bump.
Yep. Larvae at the very edges. Everything else capped, or looks like they may have backfilled it a bit earlier. Get some of this burr comb off the very bottom. I really don't want them attached to the bottom. We got it. Just wanted to get those 2 pieces out. We'll call that good for today on that piece. Look at all these.
Luckily this bird comes fairly soft because it's only a couple weeks old.
Oh yeah, it's brand new. It's extremely soft. Sorry.
He's getting
My veil hit the...
it's getting now he's got hitchhikers.
Yeah, they came right over, didn't they? Oh, look at that.
Oh, there's another one of these.
So used to seeing them bigger though. And another one.
Yeah. I mean, those look like queen cells, to be honest.
Teeny tiny ones.
Maybe they got little queens.
Little tiny queen bees.
Ooh, here we go.
Out of the way. Did I roll one? No, I just hit cone. Okay.
Not my focus hand.
They're way too friendly, aren't they?
Well, that one just bumped me.
Oh, no, we're almost done. Look at that. No roll bees. That one looks better. Uh-oh.
Yes, this hive's slightly more agitated.
I took one.
Yeah, they're trying to come at my face.
I didn't even feel that one. We're going to call this frame good because the next one is just being drawn out and they are very, very grumpy now.
Yeah, they're bumping my finger and bumping the camera.
Like I said, I just took a sting to the thumb.
Roll that beautiful bee footage.
Hey everybody, thanks for watching the video. If you enjoyed it, please leave us a like. And if you want to see future content, please subscribe. And as always, we'll see you on the next one.